Hey, Jubee. It's Prissy again. Oh, you don't know what to say. Oh, geez, Louise. I am so overwhelmed by the video that you sent me. Thank you so much. That is the most beautiful thing I have ever heard in my entire life. When I saw it, I'm sorry, I'm a little bit nervous. Oh yes. Again. Oh dear. Oh, this isn't going the way I want it. Oh yeah. I'm gonna take a deep breath. Okay. Okay. Oh, I feel a little bit lightheaded now. It's not bad. You might try that sometime. Okay. I'm feeling better now. So, anyways, you had asked me a couple questions, about myself, and, the first thing that you asked me was if I took any medication. And, I also take the B vitamins, like you stated in your video. I take a few additional, prescribed pills as well, but their names are so long that I really don't know, how to, pronounce them. But here's a few of them. This one's triptyl-adenylene. I don't know. And then there's cephalfloxacin. I don't think I'm saying that right. But you know what? I don't pay much attention. The doctor prescribes them and he says, Prissy, you just take those and then you won't go back to having those dizzy spells. I say, alright, doc, whatever you say. And you know it's good because I really have felt much better ever since I started taking them. So, and the good thing is that we just recently got the levels, the blood levels evened out. So it's been going really well. So thank you for asking that. It was very considerate. Also, the other thing that was interesting was that you had asked me if I had been in any kind of a major crash. And I have been. How did you know? Wow. See, the funny thing is, this ties into something. I can tell you something about myself here. See, I suffer with something that they call NLD, which is what is called a non-verbal learning disability. And, it doesn't affect me too much, but, like, one of the ways that it affects me is that, I have a little problem in social situations, you know, if they get complicated, like when more than two people talk to me at the same time. So, I was at a party, and it happened. I was talking to one person, and another person just came up and interrupted, and they both started talking at me at the same time. And I got so confused that I went out and I sat in the driveway, and then I got hit by a car. So, yeah, I was. How did you know that? Wow, you must be psychic or something. So, anywho, I have to say, I did get something in the mail today. Yes, it came today in the mail. It's my sheriff's hat. Stick 'em up. Oh my God, this is the most beautiful hat I've ever owned. It's so nice, and the straw is woven so beautiful. Yes, it's so glamorous. See, I got boots on. Yeah. So, Thank you so much. I love